Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you set custom vibration on iPhone. So at first, just go to your settings. Now here you can see sounds and haptics. Click on it. Now click on ringtone. In the top, click on vibration. Now here you can see create new vibration in the custom. Click on it. Now to create a vibration, just press it on the screen. After holding your finger, if you want a pause on vibration, just release your finger. And if you want a vibration again, just press it. If you want to record the vibration again, click the bottom last record. And you can make your vibration again if you don't like it. You can make your vibration as you want. And after you have made your vibration, just click the top right save. Now you can just name your vibration anything you want. Now just click save to save your vibration. And in the custom, here you can see your vibration is saved by your name. So guys, that's how you can make a vibration on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.